Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO D5 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the SUUNTO application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. In the app you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon in the top left corner, and on this page you should see your SUUNTO D5. Now scroll through this page and look for the option called Manage Connection. Tap on it and then tap on the Forget button and tap on OK. The watch will disappear from the page. Now we can close the app, open the settings on our iPhone, so tap on Settings, tap on Bluetooth, and here you probably will see the SUUNTO D5 on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget Device, and tap on Forget Device. You can also go to your watch, press and hold the middle button to open the menu, then use the up and down buttons to scroll through it, and select the General, then press the middle button to enter. Now look for the connectivity, press middle button to enter, and here, just in case, select Forget Mobile if it's not grayed out, because if it's grayed out it means that there's no phone connected to your watch, but if it's not grayed out, select it, press the middle button, and it will forget the connection. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.